In a world where machines make almost everything, there are still people who choose to create by hand. Their work is slow, detailed, and full of heart. This series, Crafted, takes you inside their workshops to discover the stories behind their skills. In today's episode, we meet a shoemaker who has spent a lifetime shaping leather into beautiful shoes. This is his craft. This is his story. The Last Traditional Shoemaker. In today's world, most shoes are made quickly in large factories. But there are still people who create shoes slowly, with skill, patience, and love. This is the story of one of the last traditional shoemakers. Every pair of handmade shoes begins with a simple piece of leather. The shoemaker touches the material, feels its strength, and shapes it with care. His hands have been doing this work for many years. They move with confidence and experience. The shoemaker says that he learned this craft from his father when he was a young boy. Now, after more than 40 years, he still enjoys making shoes by hand. He believes that a handmade shoe has a soul because it carries the maker's time and effort. The first step is cutting the leather. The shoemaker uses a sharp knife to follow a pattern. He cuts slowly and carefully, because even a small mistake can change the whole shape of the shoe. This work demands patience. The next step is stitching. Machines can stitch quickly, but hand stitching is stronger and more beautiful. Every stitch is made one by one. It takes time, but the result is worth it. A hand-stitched shoe can last for many years. Traditional shoemaking is becoming rare. Young people do not want to learn this slow and difficult craft. Factory shoes are cheaper and easier to sell. Many small workshops have closed, and only a few shoemakers remain. After 2 days of work, the shoemaker finishes a pair of shoes. They are polished, strong, and beautiful. Each pair is slightly different, because each one is made by hand. No two are exactly the same. This craft reminds us that creating something by hand requires time, patience, and dedication. In a fast-moving world, these handmade shoes tell a quiet story, a story of tradition, skill, and passion. The world may change, but these crafts should never be forgotten. This was the story of a shoemaker who still works with his hands in a world of machines. His craft teaches us patience, skill, and respect for tradition. If you want to continue this journey and learn more about real handmade crafts from around the world, join us again in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow this series as we explore more amazing stories in Crafted.